So good morning everyone. So today we are in an urbanisation called Camposol. We are on the Costa Calida near the port of Matharon. Now there are plenty of beaches down there, it's about 20 minutes drive, and then we have our local Murcia International Airport, and that's about a 30-minute drive from here. So it's quite central, and if you want the big shopping malls like H&M, Zara and that, they're 3/4 of an hour up the road. Alright, so let's go in and let me show you around this beautiful home. So I'm going to walk over, and as you can see from here, you have an open terrace where you can sit outside and enjoy the sunshine and see the neighbours as they walk by. You have got a small pedestrian gate here and a tiled area. And just up here is a terrace. You've got a lovely decorative balustrade as you walk up. Nice and easy. And just here you have got wreckers and blackout blinds on the windows. You have an overhead light there so you can see when you come back home in the evening. A lovely olive tree. You got those nice Spanish tiles all around the windows. So let's go inside and check this property out. Now, a Clasico is a nice style property. It's ample for a couple or a holiday home, as we have beaches are close by. So this is the living room, and you have a ceiling light and fan. And if I just come up here, you've got your compact kitchen there. Just pan around just to give you a feel for the room. So it's a good sized room. Now through here, through the archway are the bedrooms. So just directly in front of me is the guest room. And of course you got 2 single beds in here. You could also put a double bed in here if you wanted to. And you have your overhead storage and your double wardrobe. So just let me take you now into the bathroom, or the shower room I should say. In the shower room you have got WC and a bidet. You have your sink and pedestal and your shower. Nice corner shower there, as you can see. And you've got a nice cupboards there, cabinet with a mirror. So over here is the master bedroom. And in the master bedroom, you've got your large double bed with your switches and sockets on either side of the bed. Just above, you've standard light, and you've got your double wardrobe with your overhead storage. So just pan around just to give you a feel for the room. So you've got plenty of room in here. I'm going to take you out now, and we're going to have a look around the kitchen. So good size living space. And just in here's your kitchen. Got plenty of top and base units. You got integrated hob and electric oven. You got your sink and drainer just there. And just over here you've got your fridge, freezer, your washing machine, more top and base units, and plenty of worktop space. Okay. So we're going outside and we'll have a look around. You've got your wreckers on your back door here. And this is a nice area here where you can put a table and chairs and have your breakfast out here in the morning when the sun's shining. So I'm going to take you upstairs, and we have a rooftop solarium or a rooftop garden, whichever you like. And I'll see you up at the top of the stairs, guys. Right guys, we're up here on the rooftop solarium, and as you can see there are 2 storage areas, and they're quite deep, and they're really great if you want to put your lazy spa away for the winter, or your cushions or your chairs. You can put some lounges here, some false grass, and make this really nice for yourself. So guys, what do you think of this property? It's a really great property, a bolt hole here in Spain, and we're not very far from the beaches or the local airport either. So if you're interested in this property, I will leave the reference of this property in the title of the video, and do contact info@toletoselltobuy.com or check out their website. So until the next visit to another property, take care. Have an amazing day.